Hey, welcome back to the Ford sculpture, and today we will be making the House Stark emblem from the Game of Thrones. First thing I did was to cut out the pattern from an aluminum sheet taken from a used soda can. Then I cover the whole thing with clay and flatten him out evenly like so. And then removing the excess clay with a hobby knife. And it looks like this. I continued to remove the excess clay. Then covering it again with clay for the detail works. This second layer would create an embossed effect to the sculpture. Carving in the eyes and the ears. In this part, I'll be carving in the fur design of the sculpture. After all the detail is done, now it's ready to bake. In this part, I used a black acrylic paint, a watered down acrylic paint, so it would sift in between the crevices of the sculpture. After that, I painted the whole thing with gray and let it dry for a while. The final step is to cover it with clear spray paint to seal everything. And that's it. Make sure to comment down below what you think about this build, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one. Bye.